always have to do a U-turn when we get here because every time I come to the car wash, I come from the direction. So I have to turn right here and then we'll go around it. You'll see the car wash. It'll come up on, it's on your left now and then it will come up on your right.
Oh gosh, it's because you're an expert driver. If you weren't an expert driver, you wouldn't be able to do all these sneaky U-turns.
Seriously, and look at my turning radius. It's really tight.
Your turning radius was super impressive, and I wish that you would teach me those skills.
I have real good driving skills, but I want to tell you there are some skills I really like better than driving skills. I'll tell you about it later. But this is the $3 car wash, but I'm really not going to pay that much. I'm probably going to pay like 8 or 9. It costs a little more for a little extra.
Because we like the fancy stuff. Oh, hello there, car wash.
Yeah. Here we come. And we're not members yet. We didn't join the club yet. We just tried it out.
Gosh, we gotta stop and do this.
Yeah, that's right. Hey.
Yes?
What day is it?
I think it's the 24th.
The 24th?
It's the 24th.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's Libby's birthday. It's Libby's birthday. What are we gonna do? We gotta do something fabulous.
What are we gonna do for Libby?
I think we can.
I think we could probably work out something.
Yes.
Maybe a little kitty here.
Yes. Okay. So, I think you just need to get ready for the most extraordinary thing that you...
The most extraordinary thing that you have ever heard. Unless you've heard Joey Neese's video, song, Time Isn't Right. This is actually maybe a little bit more extraordinary because it's about you.
You are now ready to enter the car wash. Please proceed by following the directions on the signs ahead. And
please drive ahead carefully.
Okay, I'm going to do that.
Alright, we're going in. Here we go. Say what it's your birthday. It's your birthday. Car wash, it's your birthday. Car wash.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Car wash. Car wash.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Libby, you got some talent. Libby, you awesome fine. Libby, I want to show you that I'm taking a lot. Working
at the car wash.
Working at the car wash, yeah.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Car wash.
We're at the car wash.
We're at the car wash, yeah. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Libby, we know you can't come this way. We know you. A little careless anyway. Libby, but you shall find it anyway. Libby, we wish you a very happy birthday. Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Hallelujah. It's your birthday.
It's your birthday.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
Jesus loves you. Jesus loves you so much on your birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
go, Libby.
Happy birthday, Libby Beach. You are
You're
the
the
most
queen.
extraordinary lady we've ever met in our lifetime.
You're the queen, Libby.
You're the blogger queen in the world, and you're the best person we've ever met.
Blogger Supreme, Libby.
The Blogger Supreme. This is coming to you live from Pure Glam's first live performance at the car wash.
That's right. Pure Glam. Virtual curiosity.
Virtual curiosity, that's right.
We're exquisite in our own right. And we're coming to you live from Lakeland, Florida.
Happy birthday, Libby. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.